How much time do you waste walking, looking for parts and manually tracking requirements? Definitely too much. How about having all the parts directly at hand? How about having reordering automated so that every movement makes sense? Smart idea, isn't it? That way you'd have more time for your core job. Introducing the Smart Workplace by Würth Industry Service. Here to help you in all areas. Our modular workplace solutions create individuality and work efficiency in a wide variety of activities. The RFID module iPlacer automatically reorders parts directly at your workplace. The weighing bin iScale also triggers an order as soon as the bin falls below a defined weight. With small-sized bins, the Smart Workplace also ensures the supply of smallest parts. Thanks to RFID, these are also reordered automatically for you. Our Kanban racks complement the Smart Workplace. For example, the iShelf. Once an empty RFID bin is placed on the top shelf, the reorder is triggered automatically. iDisplay provides additional support here. The digital rack label shows information about items ordered by pressing a button and offers a pick-by-light function. Combined with worker assistance systems, it offers ideal support for your employees. Driverless transport systems also take the transport of goods to a whole new level. Long distances are a thing of the past, and you have more time to do your core job. Whether production resources, auxiliary or operating materials, the Auximat vending machines ensure a secure automated supply of MRO products. This way your decentralized products are always ready at hand. With the Smart Workplace, you benefit from maximum availability of your C-parts directly at the place of use, and ergonomic work equipment. You prevent manual error sources and increase your productivity. You get maximum transparency about your inventory and consumption, and you can identify fluctuations in demand early on. Smart Workplace, the workplace of the future by Würth Industry Service.